Welcome to Woodcut Tech, where technology meets the art of woodworking. Here, we share modern woodcutting techniques, woodworking tips, and inspiring DIY projects. If you are passionate about wood and machinery, join us in exploring The VB5000DK is a giant powerhouse, delivering impressive strength and rock-solid performance on heavy-duty tires thanks to its high-torque, low-speed shafts. But its biggest weakness is exactly that: its massive size and lack of flexibility with complex tire types. In a space under 1,000 feet squared, installation and operation become a real puzzle. It's powerful, no doubt, but not built for tight quarters.
Dikke des materiaals, waar je voorbeeld van de dikke draad en die rondaan zit.
The Paul Boonen wood splitter turns stubborn logs into child's play, just a weighted lever and gravity's force at work. Each swing is a masterclass in precision. Wood splits flawlessly, not a single joule of energy wasted. This isn't a tool, it's a mechanical masterpiece that makes raw power look beautiful. Can you believe wood splitting could become such a mesmerizing performance art? Which do you prefer? The refined power of modern machinery or the traditional craftsmanship of manual methods? Drop your thoughts below. Witness the terrifying destructive power of this metal shredder. It tears through everything from tires to solid steel frames like they're made of paper. These relentless steel jaws crush materials in seconds, leaving viewers in awe. Is there anything that could truly resist this devastating force? Comment if you're amazed, or tag friends to share this shocking spectacle. The Stepkovich Maxim 420 Stel chipper, powered by a 110 kilowatts electric motor, serves as the heart of the pellet and sawdust production line operated by AMD Construct. Raw materials are fed into the chipping chamber via a conveyor system, where powerful rotating blades swiftly process them into uniformly sized wood chips. The system also integrates screening and discharge conveyors, forming a highly efficient closed-loop process, perfect for industrial or biomass production. With its robust performance and impressive design, this machine is a true nightmare. If you're a tree, the legendary CAT 621B scraper, once the ruler of construction sites, is now ready to take its final bow. Dust from the past clings to every dent, each scratch marking a long history of relentless labor. Somewhere off-screen, a modern heir waits, ready to challenge and replace this steel king. Who will dare face a legend on the brink of falling? Inside the beastly DFR4 1000, a high-speed grinding drum spins like a steel cyclone, so sharp it slices through solid logs as if they were paper. Towering trees, freshly felled, are instantly reduced to mountains of flying wood chips, spraying like a storm of dust. The roar of the machine blends with the crackling of shattering wood, creating a symphony of mechanical power. Each rotation devours timber without mercy. From sturdy trunks to a sea of splinters in the blink of an eye, absolutely unbelievable. The Remet RP200 is truly a lifesaver out in the field. With its integrated conveyor, it transforms the once backbreaking task of branch processing into a smooth, efficient operation. The machine steadily churns out chips like it never tires. Its anti-jam feature minimizes downtime, keeping everything running non-stop. When reliability is a must, this is the machine you simply can't overlook. Behold the Moorbark Predator, a true beast in the world of recycling, capable of crushing wood, metal, and even stone without hesitation. But its silent enemy lies in the soil and sand clinging to roots, brutal abrasives that relentlessly wear down the hammers, screens, and the entire system. The big question is, how is this machine built to withstand such constant grinding? It's a tough test of durability and engineering, a powerful testament to the limits of modern technology. Turning waste into valuable resources, that's where the Dopstat AK640SA truly shines. With a beastly 641 horsepower engine and the capacity to process up to 50 tons per hour, this machine pulverizes scrap wood into uniform mulch in seconds. Every load devoured becomes a mountain of usable material. It's not just powerful, it's relentlessly efficient. When speed meets strength, performance hits its peak. This isn't just a chipper, it's a 1500 horsepower beast that chews through trees for breakfast. The CBI Magnum Force Flail 6.4 strips bark with twin hammers, while the 754 disc grinder crushes up to 200 tons per hour with brutal precision. All that power packed into a single rig. Are you ready to trust this monster with your next big job? The Pezolato PTH 1200 1000M wood chipper, powered by an 800 horsepower Cat engine, is an absolute beast, devouring massive logs and turning them into fine wood chips in seconds. Its lightning-fast speed doesn't just save hundreds of labor hours per day, but also delivers perfectly uniform, high-quality output. Watching giant tree trunks disappear like cotton candy leaves spectators in awe. This isn't just a machine, it's a revolution in timber processing. Can you even imagine the sheer power and efficiency it brings? Witness pure industrial dominance as this mulching monster reduces massive stumps to sawdust in seconds. Its 120 horsepower heart pulverizes entire forests with terrifying efficiency, turning stubborn timber into perfect wood chips before your eyes. This isn't just machinery, it's nature being rewritten by steel and diesel. The raw power on display will leave you breathless, proving no tree stands a chance against this mechanical titan. Witness the pure power of the Janssen GTS, a mighty branch crusher with a 24 HP engine that operates as smoothly as a dance. Every stubborn branch is devoured in the blink of an eye, transformed into perfect mulch with astonishing ease. This isn't just machinery, but a technological masterpiece that turns hard labor into strangely beautiful performance art. Are you ready to be mesmerized by the beauty of perfectly controlled power? With 90 horsepower roaring and 7 tons of steel crushing all terrains, the LKT81 Turbo redefines invincibility. This beast doesn't just shred frozen mud with terrifying torque, it defies physics with impossible balance. More than a vehicle, it's a steel manifesto. Conquering nature requires a heart harder than nature itself. This is precision redefined. The spinning cutter wheel systematically pulverizes stubborn stumps into fine mulch, layer by relentless layer, where raw torque meets surgical accuracy. Witness engineering artistry at work as immovable objects meet their perfect, unstoppable nemesis. This isn't just stump removal, it's a masterclass in mechanical alchemy, transforming the unshakable into nothingness with breathtaking finesse. The Birch Series 2025, a versatile wood splitter with 17 tons of splitting force, featuring intelligent automation systems. Its flexible wedge lift and log lift mechanisms, combined with the optimized easy slide surface, streamline the splitting process. With specialized capabilities for resplitting and processing small diameter logs, this represents cutting-edge engineering for professional woodworking shops. Splitting wood has never been this easy. With a mounted hydraulic log splitter featuring a powerful Cyclops cylinder, you can effortlessly split even the toughest oak logs. This DIY log splitter runs on a tractor hydraulic system with a 100 Lmin flow rate, delivering unmatched power and reliability. The control valve ensures precise operation, while the rugged design makes splitting fast and efficient. Build your own machine and enjoy the results.
Горел, схватили! Уа!
The truck sways gently under the weight of freshly split oak logs, the scent of fresh sap still lingering in the air. Wouldn't using trips make it safer for him and easier on the equipment? Someone asks over the rumble of the engine. The seasoned workers exchange glances, their experienced eyes reflecting a hint of hesitation. Finally, a unanimous nod answers. Let's try it. Safety comes first. Hey everyone, let me introduce you to the wood processing wizard, a German-made mobile debarking machine that will blow your mind. This beast crushes jobs at insane speeds, delivers unmatched performance, and shoots sparks like fireworks. A true showcase of engineering power that'll make any woodworker's jaw drop. This powerhouse pairs a repeater wedge system with brutal 37-ton splitting force to mass-produce perfect 3x3-inch firewood chunks, ready for bundling straight off the conveyor. Watch it vomit out uniform pieces like a wood-chomping assembly line, while the auto-cycle feature keeps production humming. No more guesswork, just stackable, sale-ready firewood at 2 cords per hour. Efficiency? This isn't a machine, it's a firewood printing press. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more awesome content. See you in the next one.